Hey, I'm Will with Buckwired, and we are here at Revolt. Well, really, we're trying to become one shop with Revolt. We have a few extra cars that we're bringing into the space. Let's go show you what those are all about. Now this nice avocado green Bronco 1975 is going to be getting a Revolt crate motor, and we are in the process of clearing out the engine bay and making room for that bad boy. And then we're going to shove some batteries up here, put the Revolt motor right there, utilize some more space underneath the back seat and where some of the fuel cells were to put some Tesla batteries. It's going to have a full Tesla pack to power that Revolt motor. This probably looks familiar for anybody who's watched any of my previous work. This is the Tesla Z that was built at Throttle. And right now it is getting the batteries swapped out and a few other provisions put in here. It did not have any cabin HVAC. We are adding that in here, and we are just improving some of the design. This over here, oh, come on, man.
Keep
this
up.
over here is one of the customers that is up in, I believe, the LA area, the AZ USA area. He has a full 400 volt app EV battery pack that is going to be powering that Cascadia IM225. And this thing right now looks like it's a tetanus bomb, but once we are done getting everything in and running and we have the wheels turning, everything's going to be removable. They're going to take it apart, media blast it, paint it, get everything fully fabbed. Right now we're just trying to get the drive shafts turning under full EV power. So this is another project right here that looks pretty cool. This is a 68, I believe. It's a Dodge A100 van. And then, of course, we have the other fun projects that Revolt brings in to utilize the power plant of the Revolt crate motor and whatever battery packs we think applies to the power that is needed. So there's a lot of fun stuff going on. We're going to keep adding, so keep up.
All right, guys, we're here today, 1975 Bronco. You can see it in front of us here. We did remove the old V8 that was in here. I believe it was a 302, if I'm not mistaken. But that's gone, you can see. But unfortunately, what it left behind, you can see here, is about 50 years of grit, grime, grease, oil, you name it is on here. So this is going to be converted to an EV, so we won't have to worry about that ever again. That's the good news. But the bad news is in between, we're gonna have to get as much of this off as we can. So for today's, we're gonna be using the Simple Green Pro HD heavy duty, high definition, either one, whichever phrase you like. But we're gonna spray this on here, get it kind of soaked in a little bit. We're gonna steam clean it next and trying to get out as much of this as we can. So without further ado, let's start spraying. So satisfying. Look at that, just look at this just ripping off right now.
All right, well, things have dried out in here. Josh did some really good work with the Simple Green degreaser. It did its job. It got rid of a lot of the, schmegma?
Schmegma.
That was the word that was floating around here.
It's technical.
A lot of the sticky, greasy stuff is gone. There's a lot of undercoating under here that is not something that comes off easy with something like a degreaser, commercial grade or not. So we're going to probably reach out to some contacts for some dry ice blasting. That stuff's going to fall off like Dippin' Dots at that point. For the time being, while Josh has been cleaning the underside of this, I haven't been sitting on my hands too much. I've been considering where we can place some of these Tesla modules, like where these auxiliary gas tanks were and everything. So we have some cool designing and measuring to figure out how we can distribute the weight and batteries throughout this chassis. And aside from the batteries, we have... What do we got going in this thing?
Oh, in this thing, so we have one of our crate motors, so our large, what we call now our big block motor, because we are going to be releasing a small block motor as well. So now we're kind of reconfiguring how we name things around here. So the big block motors go in here. That's the one that you guys are familiar with. Same one in the Mustang and all the other fun cars that we built up to this point. Now, it is official. We have roommates here at Revolt Systems.
I am your father's brother's nephew's cousin's former roommate.
What's that make us?
Absolutely nothing.
Will with Buckwired has officially moved in. He is here 100% of the time. Josh is here too.
It's my brother. It's another Buckwalter. He's still Buckwired.
The beard isn't as thick though. How'd that work out?
Mine's grayer, you just can't see it. That's why.
Smarter, more wiser.
Mm-hmm.
So we do have a great relationship. I've known Will for what, 5 years?
Yeah.
We've been
2020, I think we met.
You actually helped me with the Mustang. You were one of the first people to help me work on that thing and get it rolling. So long relationship here.
Still gray. It was a gray lady then.
It was blue.
Blue, sorry.
Yeah, blue.
Bluish gray.
Bluish gray. Had some rust spots on it. We're going to keep concentrating, just like our name says, Revolt Systems. So we're going to be building a lot more stuff and things. You're going to be doing a lot more of the installs and the conversions of these vehicles using our products. But as the name states, we're not Revolt EV. We're going to be doing a lot of different stuff. So you better get these vans out of here, because our next project's about 35 to 40 feet long. They're probably going to be a turbine engine in there somewhere. There's going to be so much crazy stuff going on. We got some new partners coming up. Just so much to talk about here in the next couple weeks. SEMA's coming up as well. We're going to have a lot of fun. This place is going to turn into a zoo of just mind-blowing stuff. So keep it up. Get the grease off of this thing.
I'll try. All right, so we're going to get back to work. I got some measuring to do. We got some dry ice blasting and some other projects to wrap up. So make sure to keep up, like, comment, subscribe. Let us know what you think could be coming up or what you would like to see. We read everything, so.
Everything.
Yeah, we do.
Every last bit.
You do. I even check your punctuation.
There's some bad ones in there. See you guys later.
Bye.